Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to explore an instance swap property within a component. So an instance swap property indicates which instance in a main component or a variant can be swapped. So in the previous video we have explored a Boolean property, right? However, there is a limit to customizing this button component with that only one Boolean property, right? So now we are going to improve that component by adding an instance swap property, and in this case specifically we would want to add the new property to select which kind of icon we would like to specify for our button. At the moment, as you can see, we can only show or hide just a single icon. And now I'm going to show you how you can improve that example by using the instance swap property. So to be able to select multiple different kind of icons for our button component, first we need to create multiple different icons that we can choose from. So for that, I'm going to open up this resource panel, then let's choose plugins and then material design icons. So now I'm going to choose, for example, two different icons that we can swap our button to. So let's choose maybe here a checkmark icon. So check this one, then maybe a home icon, for example, this one, and one more, for example, settings. There you go. So for now we have three icons, right? So let me just arrange those three icons right there. Perfect. So now I'm going to select all those icons, and then from here on the top I'm going to select this components option and then create multiple components. So now for each and every icon here we are going to create the new component. Alright, so now we're going to modify our actual button, because within our button component I'm going to remove this previous icon, and then I'm going to add the component inside a component. So for example, let's just specify a default one to be this check mark, right? So just add this icon component within our button component. There we go, perfect. And now that you have selected this actual icon within this component button, go to this design panel, and here you're going to see here one option that says create instance swap property. So press that, and now let's name this instance to be icon. A default value here will be this check circle. There you go, click create property. Perfect. And now when we select our button, you're going to see that now we have one new property named the icon. So let's try and add here some new component to our screen. Let's select our actual button. There we go. So now here, as you can see, we have two different properties actually. Let me just go to our actual component. So we should have one more. Okay. I'm going to just select this second show icon Boolean property. As you can see here, we have a warning message that says not used within the component because we have removed that old icon. So let's click this edit property button. Okay, I'm going to remove actually now this property, and I'm going to re-add that property once again. So let's just select our component here, or our icon, and now let's choose here one option that says create a Boolean property. Let's name this show icon as before. Alright, click create property, perfect. And now we should be able to see all those three properties, right? There you go. So now if I click this little toggle button, then that icon will disappear. And also this icon property will disappear as well. There you go. So now let's choose one of those icons that we have specified as a components in our project. So as you can see, now we have this check circle icon as a default one. Now let's choose maybe this home icon. There you go. So now we have quickly change that icon with only one click. There you go. We have a settings icon, we have a check circle, and our home as well. So basically we have added some nested components within our button component, and there we have enabled instance swap property, so that we can actually swap the actual instance of those three components that we have created, right? And that's how this instance swap actually works. Alright, so if you have any questions about this actual property, then feel free to comment down below, and for this video that will be all.